J here from Big J's Heating and Cooling. No job's too big, no job's too small. Call us today at 867-5309. Hello.
Hi everybody.
Surprise! We said it's going to be a surprise what we're doing every week now. This week we're going to Lowe's Home Improvement Center. We purchased a MasterCool window cooler and we're going to pick it up, we're going to install it, we're going to take you through the process of how we do it, how it works.
And if we do something wrong, of course, let us know so we can fix it.
We're going to do something wrong.
We definitely will do something wrong.
That's what the comments are for.
Yeah,
We don't
please
mind.
leave
Let us know.
comments.
We like to learn, we like advice. Okay, so we just got to Lowe's here. Aiden's calling in because apparently they bring it out to the truck for us and we don't have to do anything.
Delivery and installation, press 2. For the product, press 3. For appliances, press 4. For flooring or kitchen and bath cabinets, transferring to the product, please hold. Press 2. For delivery, press 3. For installation, press star. Transferring to the customer service desk, please hold.
So we had to move the truck. We're still trying to call them to get our order out here. Not super organized very well. So when we called, they said we would drive up, call the number where we drive up, and they would bring everything out. Doesn't seem to be working that way. Well, Lowe's, we did prepay for this on the internet, so we already own it.
Where's customer service?
Ready to pick that up. I'm in front of your guys' Lowe's store.
Oh, are you in the pickup, the curbside pickup parking?
I can be there in just like a second if you need me to. Would you like the order number?
Yes, please.
The red Dodge Ram pickup.
Okay, we'll be right up.
All right, thank you.
No problem. Bye.
Yay.
Bye.
Alright, we're pulled back where we're supposed to be. They're going to bring out our cooler for us. Yay! Alright, so we've been here a while, still waiting for our cooler to be delivered to our truck.
Ready with my ID. They said they had to check the last name so that they made sure they got the order to the right person.
Cool.
We'll see if they get the order even out.
Right. He's probably just on the phone, forgot about us. No. Hopefully not. Okay, so we're still waiting.
Still set.
Still sitting, still waiting. So we've been waiting here for a ridiculously long time. So we're gonna try calling again. Feels like they forgot about us.
All right, thank you. I'm in a Dodge pickup truck, red, and do you want me to go to the front of the Lowe's store instead of the loading dock, right?
Yes, up here. Just call me when you're up front.
We are up front.
We are out front. I'm about to pull over there now if you want to go ahead and walk it out to the front.
Okay, what parking lot is there here?
We're right now in the pro customer parking.
We're right now in the pro customer parking right now.
Okay, what color is this one?
Red.
Okay, sir, we'll be on right now.
Okay, thank you. So are they coming over here? Or
They're coming over here. They're coming over here. supposedly right now.
Okay.
Exactly the same thing they told us an hour and a half ago. Most of our day to get down here and get this picked up, so we're definitely not going to be installing it today, but tomorrow we will get up nice and early and we'll take you with us and show you the install. So they said they'd bring it out right now. That's turned into another 15 minutes of waiting here in the Lowe's parking lot.
Having a lot of fun.
Having
Loads.
loads of fun. We
Loads
should
of fun in
have brought a
Lowe's
picnic.
parking lot.
Should have brought a picnic. So another 10 minutes went by. We're still waiting. We're seeing a lot of Lowe's employees just standing around talking, which is kind of weird. Seems like somebody would be helping their customers. Got out of the truck, trying to find somebody to help us, because still not getting any help. Nobody's bringing out our cooler. So we're calling it again because they never brought it out for the second time. So we're asking for a manager this time because this is ridiculous.
I've been trying to get my air conditioner delivered to me out here to the pro customer parking.
Okay, so they had us drive to yet another part of the store. And this has been the most ridiculous thing ever. It doesn't make me feel like I want to deal with Lowe's anymore, that's for sure. But there they are.
He's going to want to verify my last name.
There we go. Yeah, that's the right thing.
That's the right thing. That's what we ordered.
We finally get it.
We finally got it.
But we got it. We're done. Learned our lesson. And we're going to go home. And tomorrow we will show you our installation.
And we'll disinfect all this.
Yeah. See you then.
So, see you then.
All right. So we're out here on the porch. And Hayden's about ready to open this thing up because he can't stand boxes that are unopened.
Yeah, there can never be an unopened or a non-opened box. It's always got to be open. Let's get into this and see what it looks like. Well, it's the height and length of my body.
Wow, that's huge. It didn't look that big on the website.
That it did not. So you're helping me put it up on hang it on the side of the
Yeah, that's going to be interesting.
We're going to have fun. We're both going to have to be on ladders.
Aiden doesn't work well with others when it comes to doing these kind of projects. We'll see.
No, I don't.
So this is the window that we are preparing to put the cooler in. It's our upstairs bedroom window. And this is the reason that we bought our house. Definitely not so much the house as it was the location. It's just beautiful. So this is the house that we bought about 4 years ago. It's 113 years old, I believe. We've been working on it this whole time. It's on a beautiful piece of property, that's why we bought it. And that window on the second story is where we're going to put the cooler. So last year we built this wonderful screen porch on the back of our house. And not only is it a great screen porch, but also up above is our balcony for the bedroom. And then we have a jacuzzi in there and some plants that have died over the winter that I have to take care of. But yeah, it's a great place to open the house. We got a screen porch on the front that we built 2 years ago. This one we built last year. So now we can open up the front and back door and let the breeze go through. And it's always breezy because we live on a mountain. Alright, so that's the front part of the cooler. We took the front part off the cooler, so now we just got the inside, and that is what hooks up. We hooked up the pump already.
Hooked up the
We
pump
got
and
that ready,
and the overflow
and the overflow is done.
right here.
And so now we're going to take it outside and hook up the water supply to it. Hey everybody, thank you for joining us with our cooler experience, our install and the purchase of it. Wasn't the greatest experience at all. Actually from the start at Lowe's, it was what a day.
Just trying to pick it up.
Just trying to pick it up. And then after finally getting it installed, we found out that the float was not manufactured correctly and did not work. Also, the remote control button was off of the remote control, so that was kind of useless. So I contacted the company. It took me a week of back and forth of just, it was a terrible experience with the MasterCool company. It's hard to deal with them. Their customer service is awful. They kept telling me it was something we did, it was our fault, it was something we did. We've lived in the desert most of our lives. We've had coolers. We know how they work. What they were saying was wrong with it was not even on the same side as the float. So finally, after a week of back and forth, they finally agreed to send us the correct float and another remote control. We got those, hooked it up. Everything worked fine for about a week and a half.
About a week and a half.
And then a few days ago, it started leaking.
Leaking out the
Where the pads are.
seam.
Where the pads are.
Correct.
So the front part where the pads are, it's leaking out of there. So Aiden this time called the company and
They tried to tell me it was the float.
again,
And I told them, no, you just sent me a new float. We've already installed that. And it's shutting the water off. It's not coming out the overflow. It's only when the cooler is turned on when it's leaking.
right, when the actual pump is turned on and it's circulating the water, that's the only time it's leaking.
And the lady on the phone goes, yeah, is it leaking out? It's leaking out the crack where the seam, where the cover meets the tray. And I was like, yes, ma'am, on the opposite side of the pump. And she goes, okay, well, we're going to send you some restrictors to restrict the pump.
So this is a problem that they've obviously known about for a long time. Their pump runs too hard, so the water has no place to go, so it comes out the crack. So they've developed a restrictor to restrict the water from the pump to slow it down so it doesn't leak. Problem with this is if they've known about this and they're still selling these like this and they're waiting for them to leak for a customer to call and then have it a part sent to them.
Why not already install that part?
Yeah, not good at all. I don't understand MasterCool. I wouldn't purchase another MasterCool, that's for sure. It's not been good at all. So
No.
yeah, it's just 2 weeks of hell at this point.
Nothing but a headache.
Yeah, nothing but a headache, and we won't do it again. But we learned, you know, it was a name brand. We've heard a lot of good things about MasterCool.
Thought it would be great.
Thought it'd be great. We spent the extra money for it when we could have, for a few $100s, gotten off-brand cooler, which probably would have worked better, honestly. So very disappointed with the customer service, but we got what we got, and we're going to live with it.
Yep.
All right?
Hopefully the restrictor will work.
Will work, and at least
We'll
have
actually let you know.
yeah, hopefully we'll have a cooler. So, I guess that's it for this week. Thank you again for joining us.
Yes, thank you so much.
And until next week,
Have a divine life.
Thank you everybody again for watching our videos. We really appreciate it. We love making these videos. We plan on doing it forever. We would sure appreciate it if you would
Subscribe.
push the subscribe button and also hit the bell next to it, as that'll remind you that we are on every Sunday at 6 p.m. Mountain Time. And also, if you like our video,
Hit the thumbs up.
hit the thumbs up, the like button. Again, thank you so much for watching our videos. And until we see you again,
Have a divine life.